need more crackers.
More cracker?
Yeah.
Hold on. Oh, yeah, my God. How many you want?
Yeah, that's how many.
Ah!
Another one. Yeah, that. That's your cracker.
What is the one that you make it again, Daddy?
I'll tell you.
What is that again?
Meatloaf.
Meatloaf. Oh. Yeah, gagawa siya ng meatloaf.
I think I should have washed my hands first.
Yeah, I know you do. Eh, bait ang asawa ko na. And gagawa siya ng meatloaf.
Oh my God. Just
While ako, kumakain ng balot. You want to eat, Dad?
make enough noise for both of us.
Shut up. Shut up.
Tastes like duck.
It's yummy though.
What the fuck?
You see? The chicks, you see? It's look like pitos.
Chicken.
The pitos.
It was a boy chicken. Dog was creepy.
Ang anghang.
I can make a meatloaf for you.
Bob. Bob. Oh. Princess. Oh. Shh. You're so mean. I take video and then you're so naughty when you're cooking. Do it again. Meatloaf na niya. Mostly nilalagay namin yan yung I forgot. Hindi ko maisip. Kaya lang wala. Kaya yun ang ano niya. Yung pitas na lang. Pitan lang. Sorry, Myron. Okay. Ito na namang asawa ko. Ang addict sa mga aso at pusa. Yan. Bumili ng marami. What is this? Oh, thank you. This is for me. Thank you. Puro pagkain niya ng pusa niya. Yan. How many boxes is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 bucks. So meaning 6,000? Di daw 6,000, 5,000 lang daw yan. Hirap na hirap pa siyang buhatin pagkain. In your pillow? In your bed? Ano na? Ano pala niya sa ano niya? Kahadikan mag-ano ng pagkain.
Like I stopped at the nail shop today.
Kusa niya. Ho.
You.
I did not, you see?
Yes, you did.
I did not. Uy!
Oy!
Later you feel in my face. Oh, be careful, careful. Move!
It's on there upside down.
What is upside down?
True.
The tree. How many minutes is that, Dada? Huh? An hour? Yan, an hour. Yan. Ano na yung cooker ko. Yan. You want me to get it?
I wish we had pot holders.
I know, huh?
Yeah.
I do it to start because it's scary.
Yeah, that's good.
Diba? Pwede ko ng asawa ko, siya pa magluluto. So, yan. Nag-ano yan mamaya. Yummy.
I don't know.
You want ano?
I can't see. Give me a fork, please.
Bigyan mo nga ako ng pork, Jen. Stay, Jen, get it. Put.
Fork.
Mm.
It looks done, huh?
It's well done, right? Oh yeah, it's cooked. Yeah.
We'll let it cool off.
Yeah.
And try it?
No, it's
Mhm.
hot later.
Pinahipan.
Nahihipan mo pa pagkatapos ikaw lang naman pala kumain. Nahiya ka.
Salt. I didn't put any salt or pepper on it.
Wala na silang pagkain.
Is it Bob? It's yummy already done. It's tasty.
Cheese.
Cheese?
What are you gonna do with the fork?
I want to eat this one. I want to eat this one.
Bunch of hamburger.
All. Ang sarap nito, Jen. Maganda rin, masarap pa rin yan sa ilagay sa ano, sa bread.
Wala naman tayo.
Di kanin. Yung ulam ba?
Did you order bread?
No, we don't have it. But I can run if you want it. You want bread?
Yeah.
You want bread now? Where I can buy bread?
It's your country. You put that in the refrigerator.
Sarap.
Oh, parang ano? Yung butido?
Parang ano, pero ano lang siya.
Right?
Meatloaf ang tawag noon.
Ano naman pala siya?
Usually you put
Ang galing
peppers
naman na
and onions.
magluto. Siya kaya yung takapagluto ko. Lagyan lang natin ng asin. Nakalimutan kasi niyang mag-ano. Hindi yan siya sunog ha. Parang ano lang yan siya. Pero pag gano'n.
Hey.
Ayan.
She doesn't have anything. She's starving.